Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's almost time for these braids to come down. They're getting a little itchy and a little fuzzy on the sister. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's good to see you all. I hope all is well. I hope all is good. I want to do a quick review for you guys on the foundation that I'm wearing this week. I'm actually going through primers and foundations. It's just time to mix it up. We've had a lot going on in life. As you guys can see, I'm trying to get back in the groove of things, trying to get things back on schedule, kind of trying to get back to my channel. You guys know I have a lot to offer here on my channel, so I'm trying to get it together and get all that stuff offering and going and stuff again. This video specifically is going to be directed towards makeup. You guys know I have a busy life, but I love makeup on a budget at that. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. There's a lot going on here. I hope you have as much fun with my videos as I do, because it's pretty much my lifestyle. Besides my family, my personal things are my lifestyle. The foundation I'm going to be doing a quick review on today is the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. This shade is 340. It's one of their, I would say, newer shades, but nothing from this line is too new to start with. But the shade here is 340. Cappuccino. It's supposed to be matches natural tone, blends seamlessly, lets skin breathe, and the rest is the same thing repeated in Spanish. I don't go too much into ingredients when it comes to makeup, because that will drive you insane. And unless you're a specific like stickler for ingredients, then this might not be the channel for you. I have not branched off into the more healthier, better cosmetic options because of ingredients. I do have sensitive skin. So if you do have sensitive skin, but you're looking for some stuff that is still good for you to use, this will be a good channel and a good video for you. Because of course I'm gonna let you know what works for me and what doesn't. Everybody's skin type is different. Everybody's preferences are different, but you are here on my channel with me because you clearly like what I have to offer, right? And I want to get you guys what you're looking for. So with that being said, I just want to go ahead and do a quick review. I've had this foundation on since this morning. It is now 2:30. I've had this foundation on since about maybe about 8:30, 9 o'clock this morning. I'm also using a different primer, but this is day 3 for this foundation. I'm going to do a different foundation every week until hopefully I'm trying not to buy any more foundations. There's maybe one foundation that I am looking forward to getting because it's inexpensive and I've heard just ample great things about it. I'm trying to wait till it goes on sale and all that good stuff. But anyway, that'll be a video for a different day. But I will be doing a different foundation every week for the rest of the year, from the foundations that I already have, which you guys see we're pretty much covered. No need to buy new foundations. I have so many foundations, not just because I like to purchase makeup, but because I have combination oily skin. I am meticulous and I do talk with my hands. So anyway, I'm very meticulous and specific about foundations that I wear because I don't like to touch up. I'm not a touch up type of person. When I like to do my makeup in the morning or whenever it's done, and then that's it. That's it for the rest of the day. Living in Texas, even with Texas heat, even with football practices, I don't wear makeup to the gym. That is the only time I will. If I am wearing makeup and I go to the gym, I will wipe off all of the makeup off my face. My eyes and my eyebrows I will leave, but because of pores and having clean skin and breakouts and stuff like that, I try to avoid that at all costs. I do not recommend anyone wearing foundation makeup on their skin when working out. Okay, that's just, I don't understand why. I don't recommend it. You're grown, or if you're not grown, do what you want to do. If it works for you, do you, boo. Shameless Maya, gotta love her. But it's factual. However, I don't wear it to the gym, but when I do apply, I will apply afterwards or whatever the case may be, and I like to put it on one time and go through my day. So I do need something long wearing. I do need something with some coverage, because to me that's the point of putting on makeup, okay? And I do have a blemish here and there. I do not have a lot of acne, but I don't have a severe skin cleansing routine, but I do have a very consistent skin cleansing routine. I do not sleep in my makeup unless I happen to fall asleep during the day. Overnight, do not sleep in makeup overnight. It's just not a good thing for your skin. It's not a healthy, good thing for your skin, okay? But like I said, do you, boo? Pertaining to foundation, I'm trying to give you guys all of my bases when it comes to foundation, so you can, cross your T's, dot your I's when it comes to your own face and how you do your foundation, and how I'm telling you the foundation worked for me, what I'm seeing, what I'm not seeing, and you can try to put the pieces together on your end to see if it could work for you. Okay? So I just want to go ahead and say it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful on the skin. And I have been having issues with my smile lines here and on my forehead that everything is sinking into them. You see that? Everything. I think it's coming with age. I do have a little bit of age on me, but as you guys can see, I'm extremely expressive with my facial expressions, with my hands. So I'm always doing this, always making different faces and all that different kind of things. And those things, after time, your skin moves, blah, 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 blah. Fine lines. There's ways around this. I'm going to get it figured out. But as of right now, whatever helps is what I'm trying to use, okay? This foundation, out of other foundations that I'm using, has not been settling terribly in the fine lines. Are they there? Yes, a primer will help that, working on that. But this foundation is beautiful. I find it's not very settling in my lines in the face, which are a good thing, because some foundations, once they find a crease, a groove or something like that, it likes to gather. This is not one of those foundations, so that's another positive for this foundation. The shade range, bananas. Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, Target, Ulta, you should be able to find this everywhere. This is a foundation you should be able to find everywhere and in your shade at a decent price. Of course, you guys know some places are a lot cheaper than others. Places like Walgreens, CVS, always have sales, always have coupons, things like that. Walmart, still one of those places that kind of has the lowest price on cosmetics from from what I see, but then it varies from what shades they have and what shades they carry and different things like that. So saying that to say, this is a plus, a thumbs up, a plus. I like it. Is it my favorite? Is it the best? Not so much. Why? Because around the mouth and the tip of the nose, it's not long wearing. It looks nice I don't know, for people who just want to throw something on a little bit and for a little while and then take it off. I don't do that, so I don't really understand why other people do that. But to each their own. Not very long wearing for me. So is it a nice foundation? Yes. Is it one that I'm going to continuously reach for? No. It'll probably make its way back there. Those are, because right now I have foundations that I haven't even tried and done reviews on. So we're going to transition the whole foundation collection up here and start going through them, because I am very big on, if you have it, use it. Waste not, want not. If I start realizing more of what I have and actually start using it, then I will purchase less. That's my method, my motto right now, to try to help me to not buy more. Why? Everybody's bottom dollar in ducats can go to something better than makeup. Even if you have $1 trillion, there's still better things your money can go to than just ample makeup that you will not be able to use use up, and so on and so forth. Gifting and all that stuff is great, but let's all be honest with ourselves, especially us makeup girls, that we hear it, we want to try it, we buy it, it's on sale, we buy it, we try it, we don't try it, we wear it, we don't wear it. And years down the line, months down the line, We have all of this makeup and all of these things that we should have used. Now it's out of date. We can't use it. We're not wasting money. Long story short, wasting money. So anyway, this will probably, I want to keep it because I love the way it looks. When I first apply it, I love the way it looks. But seriously, after, I don't know, 4 hours or so, it moves. You know what I mean? The coverage is not where it's supposed to at the bottom here. The camera's actually making it look really good. Not even gonna lie. But if I get really, really close, you can see the discoloration through it. And then on my nose, it's gone. I do this. Well, my nose is running, but my nose is not running. My voice is almost back, you know? Around the nose, it's gone. And I hadn't done anything at all. So this will not be a repurchase. Was it worth the purchase? I guess so, because I think I did get it on sale for like $2 or $3. So yes, it was worth the purchase. However, I won't be repurchasing, but I do recommend this foundation for someone who does not wear their foundation for a long period of time. Okay? That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for next week's foundation video. But of course, there will be ample videos behind this one. I do have a goal to post every day, not makeup every day. There's going to be some hair care in here as well. So it's going to be everywhere from like 99-cent store videos to inspirational communication, inspiring woman life videos, of course, makeup videos, and of course, hair care videos. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the bell, subscribe, do all that stuff if you want to. Make sure you leave some comments because it just brings me so much joy. I'm very happy to communicate with you guys. It makes me very happy for you guys to comment and for us to converse about life and all the great things about it, especially makeup. And until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Ciao.